So a class inside another class is known as inner class. So
Inner
the
class.
concept is inner class. Wait. Inner class is the concept. So as the name itself is suggesting, one class inside another class is known as an inner class, or simply an inner class is a class inside another class. A class inside another class, simply to say a class inside. First time we are going to encounter such scenario. We have seen multiple classes. We have seen inheritance, one class
Yes.
extending another class. We have seen multiple classes without relation. We have seen, but now we are seeing a different one, like a class present inside another class. A class inside another class
Okay.
is known as inner class.
Inner class.
So why we are using inner class? Because it provides safety mechanism. Safety. How it is safety?
Okay.
Discuss. Wait. Safety mechanism. It provides safety mechanism, and actually this inner class, whichever I am going to create inside another class, is hidden in outer class from the other classes. See here, three
Okay.
classes are there: outer
Mm-hmm.
class, inner class, some other classes. Understood?
Okay.
Try to understand.
Yes.
Outer class, inner class, some other classes. So
Okay.
three scenarios are there. So in this
Right.
context, inner class is hidden in outer class, so that other classes
Okay.
cannot see that. Is it not?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
That is also important point which you have to remember. Inner class is hidden in outer class.
Outer class.
Outer class from other classes, simply from other
Hmm.
classes. That's it. Next point. One more is there. And I'm telling that inner class is hidden in outer class. So we cannot create object to inner class in any other classes other than the outer class. Got that point?
Okay.
We cannot create object to inner class, or
Mm-hmm.
otherwise an object to inner class cannot be created in any other class other than the
Okay.
outer class. So if you
Okay.
want
Yeah.
to create object for inner class object cannot be created in any other classes, except outer class.
Outer
Except
class.
outer
Yes.
class means, if you want to create object for inner class, there is only one scope for you, one possibility for you, that is within outer class
Outer class.
you can create an object, but you cannot
Okay.
opt any other classes other than the outer class. Except
What if we do it within inner class?
safety mechanism, I told na, safety. How it is safety?
Yeah. Yeah.
Through program we will see how it is safety,
Okay.
how it is having
Sure.
safety features. And one more important feature is that inner class should be always declared as private. Private means safety. There itself you can understand
Okay.
the points.
Yes.
So inner class should be always declared private. First time we are getting
Okay.
a new specifier called as private. Till now we have seen public. What is this private? We will see.
Yeah.
More than in this class, in the after next couple of classes, you can understand what is private, protected, public, no modifier. During somewhere before to packages, I will explain in detail. Very few
Sure.
classes. We are at a distance of very few classes. So inner class should be always private.
Private.
That's why
Okay.
it is providing safety mechanism. Private property, others cannot get inside now.
Yes.
Public property anybody can get. So inner class should be always
Private.
declared private. Okay, that is another important point. And outer class members are available to inner class. What is the meaning of that? Outer class members are available to inner class. Means what? What are those members?
Methods and ways.
Members means variables and methods. They are all
Okay.
whatever features, whatever methods and variables are present in outer class, they are all available to inner class. Means inner class
Okay.
can access them. Inner class can
Right.
access the outer class features. That is another important point.
Sure.
And one more is outer class objects and inner class objects are created separately in memory. Separate memory will be allocated for that. Outer class and inner class objects. Whenever you create objects for outer class and inner class, they are created separately in memory.
Okay.
Class and inner class objects are created in a separate memory. This is also an important point. This is the detailed notes of inner class. Okay.
Okay.
So now we will develop, see, first point, a class inside another class. Very simple. We will design that. Soon you will see in the program. And it is a safety mechanism because you are going with private access specifier. Private means safety. Safety means, see, here three class contexts are there, isn't it? Three class contexts.
Yes.
One is outer, another one is inner, and the other one is other classes.
Other, yes.
Other classes, some other classes which are not having any relation with outer or inner class. So the other classes cannot access the data present in inner class, isn't it?
Yes.
So because it is declared private, that is a safety mechanism. And you can create object to inner class only in the outer class. Means safety or not. If you are able to create object, you can access anything from that.
Yes.
So once you are able to create object means, see, if something, some idea is there, immediately you are creating object means what? You are able to use that object. Okay.
Right.
So whenever some ideas are there, whenever you are able to create an object for that, you can access that. But here the problem is inner class object can be created only in outer class. That is why it is not allowed. The object is not allowed outside. That's why you cannot, other classes cannot access that much easily. Okay. Now we will go with the program for this. Let us see the shape of this program, how it looks. Wait. We go with the new package again. Yeah, yesterday final variables we have seen, final variables, final methods.
Yes.
Yeah, final classes, very important.
Yeah.
And one more thing, private also we have seen yesterday also, private.
Okay.
Private, somewhere I used, I think, private also. Okay, fine. No problem. Inner class. Inner demo. That is the project name. No. Inner class I will put. Inner class. That is the project name. No module. Is that inner class? Where is that? Is it created? Yeah, it is at the top.
Yeah, top.
I can go directly with the inner demo. I am taking main method. Okay, fine. Okay. Yes. So let us leave main method. That is a different class. So I will go with at another class. That is the outer class. Class university. Class name is university. Okay. Class name is university. And I want to take a private variable inside that. Private. What is this private? Don't worry. At some point of time, I will discuss. Not now. During access specifiers, I will talk. At appropriate time, I will discuss. private. Double type of data I want to go. Double practicals. Practicals. Okay, fine. Fine. Now I want to go with a constructor. What should I write? I want to go with a constructor. Constructor
Class
name should be
name.
same as that of the class name.
Class name.
Yes, university. I have gone with a constructor. And it is a parameterizer constructor. I want to go with a double,
Okay.
say P for practicals. Okay, fine.
Okay.
So I have taken P as the variable name. Now, inside that, what I want to do is this. What is the class variable? Practicals, na? Practicals is a class variable because it is present inside the class. Practicals is equal to P semicolon. So why I have given like this? In the past, we have done such kind of things. Can you recollect? Why I am assigning? We have done in the past. This piece life is very little. I told na?
Right.
Its life
Yes.
starts at the opening brace and ends at the closing brace. It cannot go outside. That's why it is
Right.
assigned to another
Practicals.
which is having more lifespan when compared with this. Okay, fine.
Okay.
That is done. That is also done. Now I want to let me take one college. Okay. Take Siddhartha. Siddhartha is the college name which I am taking. Okay, my past college in
Okay.
Hyderabad. S is equal to new Siddhartha. Siddhartha. Okay, fine. So an object is created. What is that object? I will discuss. Wait for a while. Then S dot evaluate. Some method I will take later on. So this class is over. I mean, outer class is over. I want to close the outer class. Yes, this brace is not required. Na? This brace is not at all required. Yes. I will come out of this. Now let me go with, this is the outer class. I will put a comment you can understand. This is the outer class. And this is nothing but inner class object. I'm talking in notes now, this point. Where can
Yes.
you create object for inner class? In the outer class only. So this is inner class object. Inner class object is created in the outer class. Inner class
Outer
object
class. Okay.
is created in the outer class. You are in the outer class till now. Okay. Now we are moving to inner class. Here, wait. I should not close actually. Wait. What is closed here? Method should be closed now. Wait. I will put this code inside some method. I cannot do like that. Void. I will take one method like results. Results is the method. Double T theory.
Okay.
And inside that, yes, this is the code. This is the code. So outer class is not closed. Please see here. This is constructor code. This is constructor code. Okay, up to here.
Okay.
Now this is your non-static method code. Huh? And the class is opened. It is not closed, na? Can you find any class closing here till now? No, not at all. So I don't want to close the outer class, but I want to go with another class inside that. That is the inner class.
Okay. Okay.
I already kept comment here. Let me write. The code about to come is about the inner class. Inner class code I am going to write. Well, so inner class should be always private. I told na.
Right.
Private class. It is also just like any other class, but the only difference is it should be present in the outer class and it should be always declared as private.
Okay.
And its object you have to create in only the outer class. That already done that point. See, whichever point I have mentioned earlier in the notes in the beginning of this class, So I am using all those points or not. See,
Yes.
inner class is present in the outer class. Yes, that is a basic definition. I fulfilled that. And then I created object for inner class inside the outer class. That also I fulfilled. And inner class should be always private. I told that point earlier. That also I am fulfilling
Yes.
now. And what is the college name, inner class name? Siddhartha. Siddhartha is the college name which I have taken. And inside that, don't bother about this private and these things. I will discuss soon. This is not the time.
Sure.
Double theory. And I want to go with a constructor again. What to write?
Class name Siddhartha.
Siddhartha. Siddhartha. And it is also a parameterized one. Double T. Double T. Now here story is very simple. Same story is equal to T. That you know. Why I'm doing like that, you know.
Yes.
Because T is having very
Shorter life.
shorter life. That's why I want to make it bigger. And then I want to go with the one more method here inside, that is void evaluate. Evaluate. I will explain from main method, then you can easily understand.
Sure.
It looks clumsy otherwise for you. And I want to display everything inside that. System.out.println. I want to display practicals. Practicals. Practicals is equal to concatenation operator. What is the variable name which I have used? Practicals. Okay, fine. And it is again joined with the tab space. And again concatenated. And again this time I'm going to display theory. Theory is equal to theory marks and practical marks. Theory is equal to, yes, GOR. Okay, fine. Done. This is also done. And then shall I put any other code inside? Yeah. I want to calculate percentage. Double percentage is equal to practicals plus theory by 2. Double. Okay, fine. Done. Now system dot percentage is equal to percentage. Okay, fine. So I want to close this. 1, 2. How many are required? One for method, and then one for inner class. This is inner class closing. This is inner class closing. Okay. Inner class is closed. Inner class closing. Inner class closing. And one more is required for outer class. This is outer class closing. This is outer class closing. Done. Now how to design main method. You cannot create object for what you say, outer class, sorry, inner class. You cannot create object for inner class in any other class, na? Already inner class
Yes,
object is
only in
created.
outer.
Only how to invoke, see, in outer class, this is your outer class. Inside that, a couple of methods are there. I mean to say, one constructor is there. See, you just to focus only on outer class, one constructor, one parameterized constructor is there or not?
Yes.
And also
Yes.
one non-static method is also there, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah. So what I want to do is, inside this main method, I have to invoke the outer class methods. How to invoke a parameterized constructor? Just by creating an object. What is the constructor name? I mean class name, university. University U is equal to new university new university, and it is a parameterized na parameterized
Yeah.
constructor. Let us pass some arguments like 69.37. So just examine this code. University is the constructor. I have created object. So just by creating object, what will happen? Control, of course, program execution starts from here na main method na.
Yes.
Inside main method, what I have done, an object is created for university class. So JVM
Yes.
immediately goes to university class, whether it is existing or
Right.
it is there. Yeah, you can create object. And moreover, you are passing an argument that will be passed to
True.
parameterized constructor na. So
Yes.
P is going to pick 69.37. Yes or no?
Yes.
P is going to take 69.37, or 69.37 is passed to P.
Okay.
But you know the inside story, why I have given practicals is equal to P.
Yes.
So that P is assigned to practicals. Is it clear?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
So practicals is holding that 69.37 because I want to utilize that practicals in some other class. It has to be traveling, because see, nowadays practicals are happening inside colleges. There is every chance for some scams to be taking place. Is it not?
Yes. Yeah.
Practicals, many Indians are not good in practicals. That's why. So all colleges are
Right.
commercial. You know how big advertise they advertise. Till now, I did not find any genuine college where genuine faculty are there and where genuine studies are going on. Majority cases, students are trusting on private websites, some Amirpet websites. Amirpet institutions. I mean to say, isn't it? So
Yeah.
that is better than I can tell you that only Amirpet institutes are top class when compared with so many universities and engineering college and whatnot. So-called big. It is a big mafia, you know. So
Yeah.
yeah. So students are relying more on online classes nowadays, not trusting the
Yes.
colleges, because the quality is damn worse.
Ra-
So that is a problem. So here, what the thing, my intention is, university is going to conduct practicals directly. Strict mechanism is there. Today, somebody is putting that in WhatsApp, some group, in the past, my house is there. Some person is putting in the group that, what is that? Coronavirus, I mean, nobody in India till now found any vaccine for that. Why, you know? Wow, the answer they have given like this, because all 90% students, whoever got 90% in their colleges, they are doing some other pity jobs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like in Telugu he used that కాగితం పొట్లాలు కడుతున్నారంట. That is parcels like.
Uh,
Those who got
yeah.
40%, they are in labs.
Right.
Those who got 40%, they are in labs, university labs. What can they do? That's it.
Yeah.
That's why we are unable to. And whoever intelligent students, some rich students are there, they are going outside. They are going overseas.
True.
Brain drain is going to
Yes.
take place, simply, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is fact. We should accept that. So here, that is why my intention is, at some point of time, university should intervene and it should conduct practicals directly in colleges. Okay, then the
Yes.
real quality will come. So that is why. So whenever I am creating object to university here, constructor is there. You can see. So whenever an object is created to university class, the constructor is called, invoked, and 69.37 is passed into P. Okay,
Yes.
fine. 69.37 is passed to P, and that P is assigned to practicals. Of
Right.
course, I have not given big code here. You can improvise this code. You can totally conduct practicals here itself in this little part of constructor. We can do that. Okay. You
Okay.
can improvise
Yeah.
this a lot. It is under the control of university. And then what is happening? See, after this, that is done. One non-static method is there inside the outer class or not?
Yes.
Yes. How to call that? Why it is showing error here? Wait. Constructor university dot siddhartha is undefined. Yeah, I am going to define. Wait. So how to invoke that results method? Just with the help of object, you can invoke or not. What is the
Yes.
object? U dot U dot, what is the method?
Siddhartha.
Result. No. Results.
Okay.
This
I can't.
non-static
Yeah.
method. See, in
Yeah.
university class, only two things are there. One is
Hmm.
parameterized constructor. The other one is results method.
Right.
University is a parameterized constructor and the other one is results. These two we have to
Right.
invoke. That is our job now.
True.
Somewhere from the
Yeah.
outer class. I mean, some outside class, not outer class. This is separately different class, na? Inner demo is.
Yes.
So u dot results u dot results. I can do like this. So results is also parameterized method, na?
Yes.
So we have to pass some argument to that. Yes,
Right.
some marks I am passing. So yeah, I am going to pass some marks. So university is going to send marks to colleges directly. That is my intention. Okay, nothing is
Yeah.
there in college and university is taking care like that. So u dot results. So inside results, I have to pass some argument. So let me pass some arguments here. Where is the cursor? It is now here. So I will give 70. I'm giving less marks, 70.78. That's it. And I forgot putting semicolon. Yeah. Done? Done?
Yes.
Ah. Over. Program is over. Why still it is showing mistake? I might have gone wrong somewhere. Outer class is closed. Okay, fine. Any other problems? Why it is showing mistake? Siddhartha S. Any spelling mistake? Siddhartha. Yeah. S dot evaluate. Okay. Here. Some unwanted. Yeah. No, that is R. No. Siddhartha. That is correct one. But where is the mistake? Siddhartha. Let me execute once. It will show the error otherwise. What happened? The constructor Siddhartha is undefined. Siddhartha is undefined. Why? See, here brackets I forgot or something like that. No. Private class Siddhartha. That is a mistake. Siddhartha is defined, na? Okay. It is a parameterized constructor, na? I forgot passing argument from here, isn't
Okay.
it? I forgot passing argument, na? That is a problem. So what could be the argument here? It is a parameterized. I will pass that t. T is the variable, na? That I will pass. Wait. T. Yes. Now it is modified. I will explain. Wait, just let me check the program.
Sure.
Yes. Done, na? Practicals, theory, overall percentage.
Percentage. Okay.
69 practicals, 70 theory, overall percentage round about 70 he got. Got it?
Yes.
If we leave, colleges will allot 90 plus percentage in practicals so that the students' average will go beyond 80 easily. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm restricting that. Yeah. Now let us study the program again. Wait. So first parameterized constructor is called. Program execution starts from the main method. So parameterized constructor is called and an argument 69.37 is passed to P. And then P is passed to practicals. Okay, later on we will use that practical somewhere. And the practicals is having better life than P. That's why we passed that to practicals. Next, U dot results, non-static method results is invoked. And what is the argument passed? It is a parameterized method. 70.78 is passed to T. T is going to hold
Right.
that. Okay, 70.78. Don't forget, T is holding that. Now, what is done inside the results? Tell me. Inside results, what we have done? Very simple
We've
coding.
created an object.
See, very simple coding. Nothing I have done. Inside outer class, one parameterized constructor, one non-static method.
Okay.
And non-static method is also parameterized. So I am passing some value that is 70.78. That is pushed to T. Now inside results, what is happening? The inner class. See here, inner class object is created in the outer class, and
Outer class.
immediately JVM will look for inner class. Is there any inner class in this university outer class? Yeah, it is there.
Mm.
Accept it. It will accept this statement. And T is passed. What is that T? T is carrying what? 70.78. That
70.78.
is passed into parameterizer constructor inside inner class. Inner class is also holding a parameterizer constructor, no? So that will be
Yes.
catching that value. Little bit tricky this one. See. Then again,
Mhm.
same story. I told earlier this story. Huh?
Right.
Yeah, theory is having better life than T. Okay, fine. Then what will happen? This work is done. Whatever T value T it is gaining, whatever value T is gaining, that is passed to theory. Then what is the next step?
Right.
S dot evaluate. S dot evaluate. Control transfers to evaluate method. So inside evaluate, what is the code done? See, system dot out dot
Mm.
print practicals is equal to, you got practicals output, yes,
Yes.
and some space, tab space, and then theory is equal to some theory also you got,
Yes.
yes. So you are able to display that. Then double percentage is equal to practicals plus theory by 2. Means what? What is
Okay.
practicals? Practicals is 69.37 plus
69.37.
70.78
70.78.
by 2. You will get some decimal
Yes.
value now.
Right.
So that decimal value will be displayed in the next statement.
Okay.
Over. Program is over. Done. That's it.
Okay.
So
What is this private double practicals
so
doing there?
private means, see, whichever features are there in this class inside, all these features are
Mm-hmm.
reserved only with the outer class and inner class.
Okay.
You cannot access. See, did I evaluate? Did I invoke evaluate method from this inner demo? From inner demo, am I able to access inner
No.
class features? That is the advantage.
No, no,
Safety
no.
na, protection is there na,
Okay.
some shield is there
Yeah.
na. So it that's that just like a tortoise shield, just like
Okay,
shell.
okay.
Shell is there.
Hmm.
Shell protection is there. That class university is protecting all that code. Safety mechanism, because it is private
Okay.
and you cannot create object for inner class in any other class other than the outer class.
Okay.
That is a safety mechanism actually. So uh, I can give this code to anybody else, but I won't reveal the inner class details. I'm not revealing the inner class details now. I'm
Yeah.
not revealing the inner class details. So if I am able to create object for inner class, that I am doing only in the outer class.
Yes.
So it's a safety mechanism. So from other classes, you cannot see. If I give, see, in real time, as modules, we do coding. So if I am
Mhm.
coding, if I am doing this part of the code, this part of the code, just inner class code and outer class also. And I'm asking you to create object only. I'm giving only to you these two methods. I'm giving only these two methods to you. Means, are you
Mhm.
able to see what is there in inner class? No, you are not able to see. You
Yeah.
are able to execute only university. If I give university, you can execute university constructor. If I don't give, you cannot execute that also. If I give only this, you are able to execute only results method. So you cannot
Mhm.
touch inner
Okay.
class until and unless I give the uh, access to you, isn't it? So whatever methods are there in the inner class, whatever constructors are there in the inner class, outsiders cannot access directly. If I give this code to you, what you are going to do? You are trying to access this, it will fail. You cannot access. All rights are reserved with
Yes.
this code. I won't give you this particular code. I won't give you. Okay, I give only methods.
Right.
I give only
Hmm.
this code is present with me, and I will give only university and results method, and you can create object to them and invoke them. But I won't give uh,
Okay.
this particular code to you, so that you cannot access the inner class without my permission. Is it not? So when you are doing
Yes.
applications at times, other classes should not be able to touch the inner class. Some class.
Hmm.
For that, this is
Okay.
suitable mechanism. If you can provide some shield, outer class,
Okay.
so that if you can only create, so it is well defined. Inner class object is just well defined inside outer class. Nowhere else it is defined, isn't it? So from other classes, you are not having any access to this inner level. Okay, that is the safety mechanism. Okay, same program I will do in another way. I will use this keyword. I explained this, I think, to you. This refers to current object I told earlier. Hello. 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 Hello.